Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Let's roam around the course of second year. Almost within minutes, let's refresh or almost enter. Almost enter. Our question number one reads as such type of functions are known as piecewise function because it has two pieces. Two pieces. More than one piece, it is known as piecewise function. It is given to us if f of x is equal to 1 minus mx when x is less than 1. F of x is equal to x square when x is greater than or equal to 1 is continuous at x is equal to 1. Then find m. Function is continuous at x is equal to 1. Find m. For continuity, we must have left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Or right hand limit is equal to function value. Function value. Now we are asked to find it is continuous at x is equal to 1. It means we have to choose the interval when x is less than 1. Right hand limit we have to choose when x is greater than 1. Function value exactly at x is equal to 1. X less than 1 means we are approaching towards 1 from the left hand side. We are approaching towards 1 from the left hand side. It is known as left hand limit. Right hand limit means we are approaching to 1 towards the right hand side. That's why x is greater than 1. Function value exactly x is equal to 1. If all these three values are equal, then function is continuous, and it is given to us function is continuous. Find m. Left hand limit x less than 1. X less than 1, that's the function we have to choose. That's 1 minus mx. Right hand limit x is greater than 1, that's the interval, it's our x square. Function value, this is also function value x is equal to 1. X is greater than or equal to 1. It has two portions, x greater than 1 as well as x is equal to 1. Both same. X is greater than 1, x square, x is equal to 1, x square. Means we have x square. Why I have written equal? Because it is given to us. If function is continuous means all these three values are equal at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, put instead of x 1 minus m times 1 square, it is also 1 square. Means 1 minus m is equal to 1. Shift m there, 1 minus 1. So m is equal to 0. When function is continuous at x is equal to 1, value of m is 0. Value of m is 0. Value of m is 0 in that case. Our option number D is the right option in that case. When function is continuous, if only left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. This is the definition for existence of limit. Limit exists. Limit exists. Whenever we are asked to prove that limit exists, left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. For continuous function, we have to take additional step. Function value is also equal to them. Left hand limit, right hand limit equal, function limit exists. It is also equal to function value. Then function is continuous at the given point x is equal to r, whatever the case is. Okay, cool. Moving to second question. That is, if y is equal to tan inverse arctan of cosec minus cot, then find dy upon dx. To me, it is more than trigonometry question than differentiation. To me, it is question of trigonometry rather than differentiation. Let's see how. Y is equal to arctan tan inverse of cosec x minus cot x. If you are going to attempt in that way 1 plus angle square, that's the angle minus cos, then differentiation of angle, it is going to take time and it is cumbersome. Let's see, I always chant, don't be a hard worker, be a smart worker. Let's see how. Y is equal to tan inverse of x. I have already told you, let me repeat. In case of trigonometry, convert all the functions in terms of sine and cos. The question is going to be simple enough, like a piece of cake or walk in the park. Cosec means 1 over sine x, cot means cos over sine. Denominators are identical, no change in numerator. Tan inverse, it can be written as 1 minus cos x is equal to sin x. Look at this. In terms of half angle, tan inverse is equal to 2 sin square x over 2. 2 sin square x over 2. And sin x in half angle can be written as 2 times sin x over 2 times cos x over 2. Look at this. 2 to cancel, sin remains. In numerator only sin remains and denominator only cos. Sin x over 2 and cos x over 2. Cool. Sin over cos, it is equal to tan. We have tan inverse of tan x over 2. They have been utilized. So y is equal to x over 2. Now differentiate. dy upon dx, 1 upon 2, differentiation of x is 1. So 1 upon 2 is our answer. Look at this. It is a trigonometric based question. Then eventually we have to differentiate only one time or integrate x square over 4 is going to be answer. To me, it is more than calculus question. It is more than trigonometric question than a question of calculus. So our option in that case is 1 over 2. Option number C. Good. Moving towards the point of inflection of the graph f of x is equal to 1 minus x cube. We are asked to find point of inflection. Means neither min nor max. Neither min nor max. If double derivative is positive, it is min at that particular value of x. If double derivative is negative, it is max at the given point. If double derivative is equal to 0, then it is point of inflection. We are asked to find point of inflection. Point of inflection. Neither min nor max means double derivative must be equal to 0. That is the required condition we have to meet. Our question is f of x is equal to 1 minus x cube. Differentiate 1 times f dash x. Differentiation of constant 0. X cube means 3x square. Double derivative 0 minus 3 times 2x, it will become minus 6. Double derivative must be 0. Equate double derivative is equal to 0. It gives us minus 6x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 over minus 6. So x is equal to 0. We are asked a point. It's only abscissa. It's only abscissa. Let's find the value of y. Ordinate. Put here f of 0. It will become 1 minus 0 cube. So f of 0 is going to be 1. So our required point is x comma y. Or one can write x comma f of x is equal to 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 is the point where the function has inflection neither min nor max. Neither min nor max. If double derivative is positive, it has min at that value of x. If double derivative is negative, it has max at the given interval at the given point. If double derivative is equal to 0, it is a point of inflection, sometimes called neither min nor max. Moving to question number 4, the differential equation y times dy plus x times dx represents which conic? Ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, line, circle, or whatever the case is. Let's see and find out. Question number 4, y dy plus x dx. Y dy x dx is equal to 0. It can be written as y dy times negative x dx. Differentiate, integrate with respect to y as well as integrate with respect to x. It will become y over 2 and it is minus x over 2 plus c. Shift that quantity here, it will become y over 2 plus x square 2 is equal to c. Multiply 2 throughout, we have multiply by 2, it is y square plus x square is equal to 2c. If c is positive, c is greater than 0, it represents a circle. It represents a circle having center at origin, and r is equal to root 2c. R is equal to root 2c. R is equal to root 2c. So it is the differential equation of circle. The solution of this differential equation, represents a family of circles. Keep on changing the value of C. C must be greater than 0, positive 1. It gives us a family of circles, concentric circles having center at origin, having center at origin, having center at origin, having center at origin. Okay. Question number 5. Integrate Ex bracket 1 plus tan x plus tan square x dx. Sort out its solution. A good question. Question number 5, I think. Yes, we arrived at 5. E times x 1 plus tan x plus tan square x dx. Simple question it is. Let me write tan x 1 plus tan square. It is a famous identity. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square. So we have e raised to x tan x 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square x dx. So now it's our function and it's our derivative. In that case, ex times f of x plus f dash x dx, it's always equal to e raised x times f of x plus c. So in that case, our function is tan x, e raised x times tan x plus c is our answer in that case. E raised x times tan x is our answer in that case. Okay. We are asked to find next question. Distance between lines. Distance between lines. Usually we have a formula, identity for distance from point to line, distance from point to line, distance from point to line. In that case, we have given lines, two lines. If you find their slope, they are parallel lines. Let me simplify the situation for you. 2x minus 5y plus 13 is equal to 0. 2x minus 5y plus 13 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 10y plus 12 is equal to 0. Look at this. If you multiply 2 with this equation, it will become 4x minus 10y plus 26 is equal to 0. Look at this. These are parallel lines. Why? Because their coefficient of x and y are same. Coefficient of x and y are same. They are parallel lines. They are parallel lines. They only differ in constant. Okay. We are familiar from distance to point formula. That is ax1 plus by1 plus c over a square plus b square. Taking any equation, I am taking first one. It's our 4x minus 10y plus 26 over coefficient of x square, coefficient of y square. Okay, cool. Now, usually we have given a point, we manage instead of x and y to get answer. Here, we don't have any equation. We don't have a point, we have an equation. We have taken this equation. You can easily manage the value of this overall 4x minus 10y from this equation, second equation. 4x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. So instead of 4x minus 10y, we can manage 12. It will become minus 12 plus 26 over square of 4 is 16, square of 10 is 100. Minus 12 plus 26, it is 14 over 116. 14 over 116 in that case. Or one can find the factors in order to simplify 1, 1, 6, table of 2, 5 and 8. Table of 2, 2 times, 9 times and 9 is the prime. We have 14 over 2 root 29. Cancelled out. The answer is 7 root 29. The answer is 7 root 29. Option number C. That is the value. I have managed the question by ordinary distance from point to formula. Some writers give another direct method of this thing that goes as, let me give you idea of that as well. Some writers or some books write in that fashion. C2 minus C1 over a square plus b square, because both a and b are in case of parallel line are same. This is our C1, this is our C2. You can take this one C1, this one C2. This make no difference. Okay, what is our C2? 12 minus 26 over AB are same, 4 square minus 10 square. it will become minus 14 over 16 plus 100, 16 plus 100, or modulus means distance is always positive, it is a non-negative quantity. 14 over 216, same situation, or 14 divided by 2 root 29, 7 over 29 root. Some writer utilize this one or that one. They are almost same, they are equivalent. Some writer in that fashion, solve in that fashion or in that fashion, it's okay. Apply distance from point to line formula, normally take this or this. If you are taking this, manage the value of 4x minus 10y from here. If you are taking this, manage the value of 4x minus 10y from the second equation instead of the point, and you are going to get through. Okay, I think I'll make my point, proceeding further. Question number 7. I used to call them, these are the trigonometric questions rather than questions of calculus. Let's see and find out. Root, integrate root 1 minus sine 2x dx. Really, it's a good one. Instead of 1, we can write sine square plus cos square. Minus sine 2x can be written as 2 times sine x cos x dx. Now it's our formula, a square plus b square minus 2 times ab. It's equal to sin x minus cos x whole square, a perfect square quantity. Square root cancel, sin x minus cos x dx. Integration of sine is minus cos, and integration of cos is only sine. Let's see, that's our answer in that case. That's our answer in that case. I used to call them, these are the questions of trigonometry rather than calculus. Simplify trigonometrically, then simply integrate or differentiate. You are going to get through. Okay, proceeding, the derivative of this thing, the derivative of the final question, second last question, question number 8 of today's frame. Differentiate ln x square plus sec x, ln x square plus sec x. If you are going to adopt this method, ln means whatever is the ln, right, in denominator, then whatever is in denominator, apply product formula. X square same, differentiation of sec is sec at and 10x plus sec same, differentiation of x square is 2x. You are never going to arrive at the required options, then you have to apply synthetic deviation. If you work with little smartness, it is going to be easy. A walk in the park. Applying tiny property of log, it can be written as log ln x square ln sec x. Power is going to be coefficient according to property of log 2 times ln x plus ln sec x. Okay, look at the simplicity of the question now. To differentiate, ln x means 1 over x, derivative of x is 1. Sec means 1 over sec x. Differentiation of sec is sec times 10x, cancelled out. What we have? 2 over x plus 10x right here, or it has take LCM. X is LCM 2 plus x times 10x plus. Look at the simplicity of question, how we have managed this one. Don't be a hard worker, be a smart worker. I used to call first, your first step must be make or break. Make or break. You are going to get through, you are going nowhere. Final question, the equation of hyperbola when foci is plus minus 3 comma 0 and vertices is plus minus 2 comma 0, find equation of hyperbola. Yes. Equation of hyperbola when foci at plus minus 3 comma 0 and vertices plus minus 2 comma 0. Distance between them, if you apply distance formula between them, 2c is equal to 6, c is equal to 3, or you can take direct c is equal to 3. 2a is equal to 4 or a is equal to 2, you can take direct. For writing equation of hyperbola or ellipse, we need a and b. A relation connecting CAB in hyperbola is given by c square is equal to a square plus b square. C is 3 square, a is 2, b square. Square of 3 is 9, square of 2 is 4 plus b square. shift 4 here, 9 minus 4 is equal to b square, or b square is equal to 5, or b is equal to root 5. Okay, then we have to select which one is our transverse axis. Look at this. Foci on x-axis, vertices on x-axis means transverse axis along x-axis. Transverse axis along x-axis. The positive portion of the hyperbola lies on x-axis. Our required equation is x square over a square minus y square over b square is equal to 1. Value of a is 2 given to us, 2 square, and value of b is root 5 square is equal to 1, or x square over 4 minus y square is equal to 5 is equal to 1. Answer has been written in a normal form. Take LCM and manage them. 5x square minus 4y square over 20 is equal to 1, or shift 20 there. We have 5x square minus 4y square is equal to 20. 5x square 20, shift 20 here. That's our answer. 4x. 5x square minus 4y square minus 20 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. That is the equation of hyperbola. Transverse axis we have want foci lie on x-axis, vertices lie on x-axis means transverse axis along x-axis means x must be positive, x must be positive, x must be positive. It's my tiny effort. I have given you a little bit journey roundabout in the course of second year within 15 to 16 minutes. It's all by itself. Next.